Thursday 8th, and yes, I'm on the road today. I've got a lot of work to do because of my absence on the road for the last 2 days. So yes, today I am on the road already. I'm working. I want to increase my speed today because last week, yes, it was a comfortable lead start, but this week I have to go very fast. So yes, I'm already on the road. I'll keep you updated on the mileage. It's a bit hard to talk once I'm working. So yeah, I'll try and keep you feedback on it. But what I'd want to be talking about today is about your memory or your cognitive issues when you're working out or when you're dieting. Because last week I was really struggling to like concentrate or to use my mind to the best. I don't know. Maybe because of the less sugars in my system, it was really hard. Like I felt my IQ wasn't at its sharpest or at its best. So I'll be talking about that today. Yes. So yes, let me catch up with some distance and then I'll just link up for a little talk. Yes. But for now, let me just speed up and then go. So yeah, today is brisk walking. Brisk walking. Let's go. Let's go. See ya very soon. So I've had to reduce my speed a bit because I'm beginning to itch, and itching is not something I want to entertain. So yes, I've reduced my speed a bit and I'm just continuing to walk. Like I always say, if you're itching, don't be tempted to stop. Just keep on walking. So yeah, I'm good. I'm still keeping up. I'm sweating a little bit more. That's okay. Yeah, that's me on the road. Whew. So yeah, I'm returning and you can see that I'm sweating a little bit more because I was trying to walk a little bit more faster. So I'm returning to go and bath and go. So I'm walking back to get a car to go to work. As I'm as I take a cab. So yeah, I'm impressed with some signs. Yeah. At least these days I realize when I weigh in the morning I'm 85. I weigh in the evening, I'm still 85. But those days I weigh in the morning, if it's 85 in the evening, it's like 88. So yeah, I'll keep you updated as well.
The world seems small. We can sit together.
Yeah, I've finished. I'm so tired, so drained. You can see from my eyes. All I'd want to do is to sleep. But today I've been working a bit more. So I've done virtually like 9 kilometers or so. My kilometer count. Yes, I'm going home at the moment. Then we have our little talk on the mind thing. I think today I've been snacking a little. So I took my groundnut and then I ate contemporary stew in the afternoon, and then I took a little bit of drink in there too as well. So I'm ending my day, and I'm going to be eating these 3 fingers of banana. They've been in the fridge for a long while, so the color is a bit funny. But then these are smaller fingers. That's like one big banana. Yes, the tiny fingers. Yes, and what I realized with the banana is that see earlier on I was talking about the fact that when I started dieting, I was struggling with pooing. So I realized when I take the banana, just a finger or two in the evening, it kind of helps me as well when I want to poo afterwards. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just coming to take the banana and I end my day. Today, was I really disciplined with my eating? Yes, I took contemporary with plantain in the morning, like 10. Then in the afternoon, my mouth was all, I'll eat. So I ended up taking some groundnuts. That was just a little, like a handful of groundnuts. And I took a little bit of, how do you call that? That's champagne, just a little bit of it. That was like, maybe like 100 ml. Yes, that's my little. Yes, and so that was what I basically took in today, the whole day, and I'm coming to finish it up with the plant, with the banana. And yes, so that's about it. Tomorrow I'm going to hit the road again and I'm going to continue. I think I was impressed. I was more deliberate. So when I'm doing errands and things, I was using more of the stairs and walking here, walking there. So at least I got a lot of mileage today, which is good. And about the thing about memory, what I realized was when I started last week like this, it was very like serious. I was struggling to really concentrate for a very long period of time. I was struggling to like be sharp, like keep some things in mind, like but I think it's gotten better with time. And so these days, if I really want to do anything which is like more of cognitive based, what I do is I do that after I've eaten. So before I've eaten, I'm more sober, I'm more calm, and I do more of the like easy things which I don't really need so much thinking to do in there. So that's one thing I've noticed or I've learned on my journey. So I think if you are really a student like who is actively learning, or you are actively engaged in work and you want to lose weight, I think you would have to really take it a little bit easy on yourself and then check your portions, because productivity also matters in there. So maybe you may have to do like more serious dieting when you're off work, like your weekend, and then when you're at work you'd have to do more of moderate dieting, so at least you can keep your stay in there. Because at a point sometimes I just get too weak, like very drained, and so um I've resorted to learn to do like a minute or two snap kind of stuff. Sometimes you just need to just close your eyes for just a few minutes just to calm down and then feel good in there. And I think I've been taking a lot of water to keep me hydrated. That's one good thing I'm doing now. So that is it. Like once you start, I don't know, but maybe you can share yours in the comment section, how yours is going, or when you wanted to lose weight or when you're trying to lose weight, how were you like feeling when it came to your mental, should I say, capacity? Were you able to really keep things to mind, or that sort of imbalance thing where you're struggling to really stay focused, you're struggling to really think, like be so active in the. And for me it was a bit frustrating at the start because I'm used to like working, and I work a lot with my mind, like a lot of things with my mind. So it was a bit frustrating in the first week. Honestly, I was just being too hard on myself because I didn't see myself being overly productive in there. So that's one thing. But I think now is better. Now maybe my body's getting used to it in there. So that's good. I think it only gets better with time. So yes, that is some things I'm learning on the journey. And so from tomorrow, yes, I'm going to be eating my normal one heavy balanced diet brunch. But then at the end of the day, I'm going to add the fruit as well. The bananas I bought last week from the market, I've not even been able to eat it. The tangerines are also still here. So I think tomorrow I'm going to go back into it. And the lemon water I paused at a while because I didn't want to do too much lemon in there. So it was just the first 3 days that I did the water with the lemon. Then I paused a bit, and my sobolo too, I've not taken it since the first 2 days. So I think tomorrow and going forward I'll just try and then go back to them and then get to my lemon water again, because that also helps me. And the beautiful thing I've noticed is these days when I weigh in the morning 85, I weigh in the evening it's also 85. Those days I can weigh in the morning, it will tell me 85. In the evening I weigh back and then it's like 88 or something. So I think I like the consistency now. I'm feeling less heavy too as well. So I'm kind of liking it. So you can also share your experience as well in the comment section, and then let's see. Everybody is different, we're all learning as well. Let's see how that's goes. I hope you're enjoying the my weight loss journey, and I hope you're also learning from it for your weight loss journey. If you'd want to lose some weight, how to realistically go about it using my, if I say, philosophy or theory. So yes, do support us with your views, with your like, share it to somebody, bless someone with a like, recommend us to somebody, and subscribe, like, and share. Lots of love from my team and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.